Hey y'all, hey, it's time for my monthly saving challenges for the month of December. So stay tuned. It's D. Okay, y'all. So I'm going to do my saving challenges for December, and I will be going over some of the changes that I did make to my binders recently. So yeah, y'all, let's just get into this video. I hope that y'all are doing well. So first of all, most of this money came from my YouTube check that I did receive in the month of November. So thank you so much for everybody who has been supporting my channel. And yeah, y'all, if it wasn't for y'all, I probably wouldn't be able to do the saving challenge video. So thank you. And a little bit of this money did come from some decluttering that I did, and I did take something back to Walmart that I didn't need. And yeah, y'all, this is how we're doing. For this month, I will be allocating a total of $19 to savings challenges. And I know this might not seem like a lot, but here on this channel, I do represent the low income budgeters or the low income earners, because I am a low income earner as of right now, but every dollar helps and every dollar counts. So let's see how I'll be allocating this $19. Okay, for my $63 challenge, it will be getting a total of $5 today. My tattoo challenge will be getting a total of $10. My puzzle it challenge will be getting a total of $2. And my birthday saving challenge will be getting a total of $2. So this is real easy to add up. Is 5 plus 10 is 15, 17, and 19. So that is a $0 allocation, y'all. Before I get into this video, I did want to show you a peso coin that my sister did bring back when she came back from vacation. It is actually a 5-cent coin or peso. So I got another foreign currency item to add to my collection. I do have a coin collection. So yeah, y'all, if you want to see my coin collection, I showed it a while back, but if you want to see it again, comment down below and I will show you it again. So this binder right here is filled with my challenges money and actual challenges that I make and or sell. And this binder right here comes from Funded Magita Jones. She is always linked down below. And I do use mostly prop bills, but with that return that I made, I have a total of $2 in real cash. And in prop bills, I have a total of 10, 15, and 17. So I hope that y'all are doing well. Hope that you have been enjoying family over the holidays. I did want to update this tracker right here. This is my road to 2K here on YouTube. This is just something that I made. If you're interested in this, you can go to my Buy Me a Coffee shop and request a custom item, and I can make this for you for whatever K that you are at. It doesn't have to be 2K. It can be 1K, 20K, what have you. So as of the recording of this video, I have a little over 1,050 subscribers. Each one of these icons is worth a total of 25. So I will be able to color in a total of 2 today. And this is just something I like to track. It helps keep me motivated, and it's just something to do. A lot of people don't get caught up on the numbers, and I don't really either, but I do want to see the progress that my channel is making, because this is going to be something I'm going to do for the long haul. And yeah, y'all. So alrighty, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel if you know anybody who might be interested. So next I'll be getting into my tattoo challenge. So in these binders, I did add these dashboards so I can put the actual name of the challenge I'm actually working on. So these right here are actually available on my Buy Me a Coffee shop link down below. This is one of my books I have available on Amazon. This is my Easy Saving Challenge book, catered towards low income. I do have the physical copies available on Amazon. If you're interested in the digital copy, those are available on my YouTube store and my Buy Me a Coffee shop. And today I'll be doing the tattoo challenge, and this is a challenge. Well, this is a heart savings challenge, and I'm saving up to get a tattoo in honor of my late mother, who passed last year. And today I'm allocating a total of $10. Each one of the icons are worth a total of $10. And I probably will go ahead and do this bonus icon right here. I'm hoping to have this done by early next year because I want to get the actual tattoo before 2 years come up since she passed away. So that is my goal. This is going to be my main focus because it's just something I really want to do. And as I stated, I'll be allocating a total of $10. So I'm going to go ahead and color this in. And this book has a total of 10 or 11 challenges, and it also has trackers on the back, which I will show you in just a minute. Okay, so it has a total of 11 challenges. I always forget. I made like several books and I can't keep up with everything. So in the back, I've already updated my tracker, but in the back of each challenge, it has a tracker so you can keep the track. This has nothing but prop money, so I will add my $10 here. And I don't count my money, my prop money at least challenges until I actually finish. This is my tracker for my tattoo challenge, and with me adding that $10, I should have a total of $170. So I'm a little bit over the $300 mark, halfway there. So that is exciting. And next, I will be getting into my birthday saving challenge, and this is my I am saving for challenge. And if you're interested in this, you can send me a message on Etsy and I can make it available for you. But I'm saving up for my birthday for 2024. And as I stated, I will be allocating a total of $2 to this challenge. So I'm going to mark off the 2 right here. And this challenge also has a tracker on the back, and I've already updated this right here. I should have saved a total of $46 with this challenge. But I did have some money left over from this year, so it's a little bit more. I have a total of $144.08 allocated for my actual birthday for next year. And as I stated, added a total of 2. So this right here should be a total of $144. And this right here is just another dashboard. And this is another challenge I'll be starting probably relatively soon in 2024. This is one of my new A57 challenges, and I just punched the holes in it and put it in here so it can fit into my A6 binder. And this is my Cheers to Self-Care. So yeah, y'all, I do have A57 challenges now available on These Digital World. And I've already made my dashboard. So yeah, so now let's get into my other binder. And this binder right here is from Soul Mama. I always have her link down below. If you use the link down below, I will get a small commission for you supporting Soul Mama on Amazon. And I did make quite a bit of changes to this binder, so I will be going over that. So I really love this binder right here. And what I did, I went ahead and made me a dashboard for this binder, and it says, "You got this, save money, not feelings." Y'all, I'm silly. So in here, I house nothing but challenges from other people that I purchased from and or I have received from fellow YouTubers or Etsy shop owners. So this is the first one that I will be going over today, which is my $63 challenge. And this one is by Jerry at One Frugal Introvert. And today I'll be allocating a total of $5 to this challenge. So I'm coloring in this 2 right here, this 2, which is 4. Now I do not allocate like where I'm going to put the money at until I actually finish the challenge, because it does take me a while to finish challenges since I am currently low income. And 1 right here, so that's a total of 5. Put this back in here and get out the money. So this is a tracker for this challenge. So I started this back in July, and it is currently November, but you'll see this in December, and I saved a total of $24. So you see, I've just been adding what I can, and yeah, y'all, do what you can do. Don't be trying out here to be like everybody else who maybe can catch stuff and finish challenges real easy. You just gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, so now I'll be adding my total of $5, and this should be a total of $24 that I have in here saved up for the $63 challenge. And let me finish showing you the binder. So the $63 challenge came with a total of 3 different challenges. This is $83 and $121, and that will be rolling over into the 2024. I did go out there and support Jessie from Jessie Budgets, and I purchased her nephew 7 challenges. And if you are new here, I have 2 nephews. One is 6 and one will be 1 by the time you see this video. So I do want to start saving up for them again. So I got this right here. It comes with a bundle of 2. One is for $176 and one is for $415. And I made the dashboards also for this binder. Then I got this challenge right here from my girl T from Balance and Budget, and I will be doing this next year. And these 2 challenges right here I'm going to show you next. Challenges I'm about to show you next is from Here to Their Journey. Her name is Rebecca. I haven't seen her post anything in a while. I hope she's doing okay. But this is 2 challenges that I won from her, and it's the Avocado Save Some Money Challenge. And she includes envelopes with hers, so I just laminated this. And she also gave me this Savage Snowball Challenge, and this is the envelope that comes with that. Next 2 challenges are from Unique Life, and I won these from a giveaway from Veronica Plus Life last year. So hopefully I'll be able to do this 25-week challenge in 2024, and this is another 25-week. This first one is for $325, and this is for a total of $500. And this is a dashboard I had in my binder before that I purchased from somebody on Etsy. I can't remember the Etsy, and I don't think she's open anymore. And back here behind this dashboard is some more saving $5 emergency fund challenge that I got from Veronica Plus Life when I won her giveaway. And I will be doing this slowly but surely. It probably won't go to my emergency fund, but yeah, this is something that I have going on like long term. And back here I have my clothing fund that I have right here, so I can keep a track of how much I have saved for clothing. And this right here is for insurances. And these envelopes and these inserts right here all come from Soul Mama, and the actual stickers also come from Soul Mama. So this is for my insurance policies that I have to pay, and this is for my medical expenses that I like to save up for. So this is all I did with my beautiful Soul Mama binder. Like I said, if you're interested in this binder or any other binders or budgeting items, her Amazon link is always down. Now let's get into my last binder I'll be going over today, and the last savings challenge. And it will be the Puzzle-It Saving Challenge. And this is in my mini savings challenge book, available on Amazon. This is catered towards low income. It is also available in digital copy on my Buy Me a Coffee shop or my YouTube store. So I am saving up to make an extra mortgage payment. I'm using this challenge to save up for an extra mortgage payment on against my principal. And today I'll be allocating a total of $2 with this Puzzle-It challenge. This heart has a total of 14 sections, and this puzzle piece right here has a total of 4 sections, which adds up to the $18, which I'm trying to save. I will most likely put whatever I have saved up against my mortgage from this challenge at the end of the year. I will go ahead and take that money out and most likely put it towards my principal. So yeah, y'all, I want to say thank y'all for helping me grow my channel. And yeah, it is greatly appreciated. If you've seen previous videos, I do have a lot going on, and I probably will have some changes to my channel due to the events that has happened lately, but I'm just trying to push through. Alrighty, so that is it for this. Now this book has a total of 24 challenges, and they also have the different design. This is the vertical, and this is a horizontal design. And in the back of the book, I have trackers, and I need to update this tracker. So 11 + 27 add 2. So I should have a total of $12 in this challenge. And yeah, this one is binder too, so I will be going over it. Now for this binder, I have nothing but cash money in here. So with me adding this $2, I should have a total of $12. Alrighty, so with this cash money, with the $2 that I just added, I should have a total of $12, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So yeah, I am $6 away from finishing this puzzle it challenge. And this money right here came from a return that I did. And the next thing I have in this binder is my car tax fund. I did not change that. And this next section is my star notes, initial bucks, and $2 bills. So this right here is what I changed. I added a dashboard to this one for star notes, initial bucks, $2 bills. I also have a silver certificate $1 bill that I inherited from my mom. And this one right here is my new foreign currency envelope that I got from my sister when she went out of town, out of the country actually. So so that is what I did with my $19 that I had to allocate for the month of December. Don't be ashamed to stuff what you can. If you can only stuff $1, stuff that $1. It all adds up. So yeah, if you like videos like this where I am showing you that no matter your income, you can budget and save, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I would like to have you here. And if you are new here, comment down below because I can't see my new subscribers, and you can just say hey, leave emoji or what have you. So hey y'all, don't forget to make the money, but don't let the money make you. And if you made it to the end of this video, leave me a hashtag low income, because no matter your income, you can accomplish your goals. And I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next one. Bye.